Hi guys, I'm back. I'm back tonight with some Chinese food. This egg roll right here is a cheese and steak egg roll. I had my husband to pick me up something to eat when he got off work. And as you can see, I have shrimps, steamed shrimps, and I also have white rice and brown rice with strips of chicken in it. And also, I got some spicy steamed shrimps as well. And of course, I have my Carlo Rossi sweet red, which is about to show you guys. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it's sweet red. Carlo Rossi. So, hoping all's well with all you guys. Steamed shrimp. Broccoli. Oh, wow. I'll be right back, you guys. Back, you guys. I'm gonna try this shrimp here. For a minute, when I was out, I thought we was gonna get some rain, because the clouds, you know, got dark. Thought I had all the legs off that. You guys, I'm gonna try this shrimp in this ranch. Is that ranch? Buttermilk ranch. You guys, this is so good. I don't be knowing which way to go. I'm gonna try this. My husband got him some, what is that called? Egg fouillon? Egg fouillon. Dip this again. This is good, very good. Cheers to all you guys out there.
I don't know.
I'll be right back at you guys.
I'm gonna try the cheese and egg roll.
Which one?
The cheese
Oh,
and egg roll.
now my husband begging y'all. Here you go, hon.
Lord. Oh, man.
Got little strips of chicken in it. a little hot there. So you guys, what do you guys have tonight for supper? Ooh, I hate this when the scale of the shrimp is like really hard to come off. So it's okay. Yeah, you guys, I'm not gonna be on here that much longer. A couple of shrimp that I had already killed. I don't know if you can see them. Juice coming out, you see them? The shrimps that's up in there. Quite a few of them. Actually, I think it was 12. I want to say 12. I love shrimps. Put that broccoli. And by the way, if you guys didn't hear me the first time, it's buttermilk ranch. Little right. I have to have my pajamas, or however you want to set my nighties on. As soon as I get finished eating, gonna re-wash my face again and lay down. Probably find some movies to watch. You know that buttermilk ranch is really good. But I just want to say to you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, please leave me a comment below, okay? Give you guys a last look at this plate. I see you guys hopefully Saturday. Bye.